Welcome to a discussion on the future of finding information. We're exploring the rise of chatbot answer engines versus traditional search. Let's dive into what these new answer engines are all about. More AI companies are now seeking to replace traditional search engines with these new answer engines. The new way to search involves talking directly with a chatbot, getting instant answers instead of a list of links. So what are the advantages of this new approach? Proponents argue that chatbot answer engines make the online search experience easier and much more natural. The convenience and directness of getting immediate answers is a major benefit. However, there are also significant concerns about these new systems. Critics worry about the potential for the rapid spread of misinformation when answers are not sourced. There's also a concern that relying solely on direct answers could lead to a decline in critical thinking skills. Now let's look at why traditional search engines still hold value. Traditional search engines provide a list of links, allowing users to explore multiple sources and perspectives. This encourages critical evaluation and the formation of more informed opinions. So should chatbot answer engines completely replace traditional search? It's a complex question. We need to weigh the pros and cons of each approach. The efficiency of chatbots against the accuracy and critical thinking fostered by traditional search. Finding the right balance between rapid answers and the tools for deeper, more critical understanding will be crucial. Let's summarize our discussion and look at what the future might hold. We've explored the benefits of direct answers from chatbots and the importance of diverse sources from traditional search. Perhaps the future isn't about one replacing the other, but a coexistence where both methods evolve to serve our information needs.